2025 Indian Scout. I'm going to be installing the Tab Performance Medium Baffle exhaust on here because I think it sounds like a sewing machine when it's turned on. So this is all you'll need. You need a 10mm socket for the original hardware, a metric 5 Allen key. You can get a adapter for a socket or anything like that. This will work. And then a 13mm socket or wrench for the new hardware. This is what the medium baffle looks like. Pretty cool. And from the videos I've seen, it makes a great improvement in the sound. So I'm gonna start her up so y'all can hear what the stock exhaust sounds like. And after the installation, which should take about 10 minutes, I will do a sound clip for the Tab exhaust. Stay tuned. So for the clamp down here, if I can get a good angle, you just need to loosen it enough to where you can move it around. You don't have to take the whole thing off. I suggest you don't take the whole thing off. It's really easy to get to if you get underneath here. And then, yeah, just these two bolts right here, which you don't need an extension, but I opted for an extension just to make it a little easier for me. And yeah, just loosen these up. Do the clamp first, then these bolts. That way you can hold it and take it off without it falling on you. So yeah, we'll be back when this is done. So yeah, relatively easy just to get this off. Just kind of wiggle it a little bit so it comes out. Clamp still in there. And here we'll do a little size comparison. Significantly lighter. That exhaust comes out to almost where the tire starts off the rim, and this one will cut off about right here. So significant difference in size and weight. It's much heavier than this, but yeah, I think it'll be a good change. So let me just throw this on real quick, and hopefully I can get a good sound clip. Installation is done. Everything's snugged up, hopefully. So let's see what this sounds like now.